Today these get reconditioned for spring. See that the fabric is just shot. These are 8 years old. Really should have replaced these honestly 2 years ago. So it's saggy and all that. Alright, so had new slings made by Sunnyland Patio in Boca Raton, Florida. They're the same fabric, it's called textiline. And then also we're going to need these guys, large Irwin clamps slash spreaders, and that. We're also going ahead and clean them up. I got them up here. I could certainly use it. We do clean them up periodically, but it'll be easy with all the fabric missing off of them. And they're all cleaned up. All right, so now we gotta clamp the frame so we can get that up flush. Those are tight, and then we release the clamps and got good tension on there. Okay, this one is finally done. Contrast it to the other one. Well, I am officially dead ass tired, but that was worth it. Bye bye. Hello.